It was a quiet Sunday afternoon when all the car repair shops in Texas are closed when I heard this sound. And the step that follows is usually a painful one, where we visit the car and hook up to the battery and give it a jump start. But not anymore. Enter the small but mighty Acmount P100 car jump starter. Welcome to Eclectic Ideas. Hi y'all, let's unbox this 12-volt, 2000 amp peak lithium battery pack. I thought a car jump starter was a great piece of equipment for every car owner to own. But once my ignition wouldn't start, this became a testimonial. This is a really nice deluxe carrying case. Look at that snazzy red zipper in the middle of it. As I unbox this and show you all the parts, imagine just replacing the bulky jumper cables you currently have with this tiny 2.38 pound mini wonder. This plugs directly into your car jump starter, and you can tell which way to plug it. And here are the jumper cable leads themselves. The red is the positive side and the black is the negative side. You hook these to the car battery terminals, and here's the charging cable. And here's the instruction manual. There's a nice cushion protective flap. The unit's a sleek brick that will resist fingerprints. And here's some more details on the back about the model numbers and the USB ports. The red triangular button has many functions. The first is to show us the percentage of charge our unit has. And the next one is an LED flashlight. Hold it down for 3 seconds, and there you can see the light coming on. And it's pretty bright. If your car's broken down on a dark road, that's going to be very handy, or if you're camping. Now, if you push it again, you get a blinking SOS strobe. And if you push it a third time, you're going to get a serious distress signal. This one just screams, help me, help me, help me. And that's your LED flashlight function. Let's look over at the USB ports. Under this nice waterproofing silicon flap, we have 2 USBs and 1 USB-C. Let's put the charging cable in here, and for demonstration purposes, we're just going to hook it back up into the battery pack, and this will charge your unit. So you're ready to go. And here it is charging. And next we're going to go ahead and show you us charging some of our phones. Let's go ahead and plug one phone into the slow charging cable or the regular charging cable, and let's plug one phone into the fast charging cable. They're plugged in, but now we have to push this red button, and they'll come on. There you go. Handy. The next thing up is this interesting metal knob at the bottom that's like a window hammer, I believe is what they call it. It can be used for self-defense to whack somebody if they come to try to attack you. If you drove into a creek, you could potentially break the window out, or you could rescue the kids or dogs if you lock them in the car. And there's the compass we can use to navigate our way safely back to the road. We have another silicon-covered charging port here to help with the waterproofing, and this is where we're going to plug our jumper cable. So if your battery is totally dead, there's a force start button. But before you push that, it's right there. There's the force start button. Before you push that, you need to have the jumper cables plugged into the battery terminal. The black to the negative side and the red to the positive side. Now let's go ahead and push this in, and you need to do it firmly, and it's easy to tell which way it goes in. And now if you notice it's blinking red and green. Once connected properly to the battery terminals, it will burn a steady green, and then you push your force start button right there, and it will start your engine. And to recap, here's the distressing sound I heard that made me run in and unbox my Acmount car jump starter. And then we came out and we connected the jumper cable because we thought, hey, let's use that and see how it works. You'll see some nasty corrosion there that was kind of caked on like limestone. Grabbed our Acmount P100 car jump starter, and we heard our engine roar again. So we're just going to go through, we're going to plug it in here like we were telling you. We're going to read that part very carefully, because when we did this, that was the first time we were doing it. We're going to push that button for 3 seconds, but only after we have connected the jumper cables properly to the battery terminals. Just like that. And now we're going to long press. See, look, it turned green, just like we said. And then you press that for 3 seconds. And let's sit that down here, and we've got 61% left, as you can see. And let's go start our car. You can hear it clicking a little bit, and here we go. There it is. Hear that engine roar. Now that's truly a beautiful sound to behold, and I think every car owner, or car renter, or RV owner should have one of these in their unit. Also, if you have a yacht, I mean, you know, we need to get one for the yacht for sure. Now we're going to disconnect this and get a new battery. Viewers, please like and subscribe, and vendors, if you'd like us to showcase your product, just email us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.